deep dramatic tone. Welcome to the Fairmont Banff Springs, where history and mystery go hand in hand. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, this stunning hotel is not just a luxury retreat. It's a place where history whispers tales of ghostly encounters and eerie mysteries. Legend has it that a bride met her tragic end on the grand staircase. Guests have reported seeing her ghost, still in her wedding gown, dancing alone in the ballroom. And what about room 873? Many believe it was sealed off after a grisly murder. Staff and guests claim to hear strange noises and see shadowy figures in the hallways. Even skeptics feel an inexplicable chill when they walk these historic halls. So next time you're in Banff, ask yourself, are you ready to face the hotel's haunted past? The Fairmont Banff Springs, where history meets the supernatural.